Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on this laptop. The easiest way to mute your microphone is by pressing F4 button. By clicking it again, you can unmute it, and if this button doesn't change microphone settings for you, you can use the two keys combination of FN and escape button. Make sure that you see this icon on your screen, and then you'll be able to use F4 for muting microphone. Alternatively, you can access settings by opening the start menu, go in to settings, and in settings you can change the microphone settings in Bluetooth and devices, sound, and here find your microphone array, and to mute it, click Don't Allow. To unmute it, click Allow. As you can see, it somehow also toggles the F4 button, so you'll have to click the F4 to allow using your microphone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.